Alright, here we are. So we are number 24. We want to go get some coffee. We're going to go up to 9, 7, or 10, one of those. So we're 24. We're going to go up, walk over here, bank a left, and hook it. And just to give you guys a bird's eye view, we're here, building 24. That is the kids' pool. We've been over earlier today and last night. This is the main pool. We've been over last night. This is the acrobats and the music video that was playing last night. I guess this is the main entrance. Where was the... Yeah, so this is the... I guess this is the main entrance, and this was the buffet. Four, 5, and 6. Oh yeah, this is 4, 5. We didn't go here yet. This is the buffet. This is the main entrance. This is the buffet we went yesterday. Or I guess this was the buffet. Oh, okay. And this is a lobby bar. Interesting. So we're gonna go to over there. Yeah, and you know what? We took this road last night. I think we took this road last night. Oh, I mean, we could have gone the whole area, the whole thing. Oh yeah, there you go. All right, so let's. So yeah, so it's easy peasy. So let's go. Let's hit this section up here. Let's hit this section up here and see if we can get some coffee. It might be drizzling a little, but not too bad. Let's get it. Let's get it. All right. So to the right is building 24. To the left is the kids' pool. We're gonna go to the beach club and get some coffee. I don't know where. The beach club. We're gonna go. Alright, we're here at another pool. Hola, ¿cómo está? Cafe? Coffee? Oh, it's here. Thank you. I think this is the buffet. I think this is breakfast buffet. Alright, so remember this is the other pool that's close to the beach. It's a smaller pool. We're back here. We came here last night and the guy made the U-turn a couple of times. Oh, neato. Maybe I get something to eat. Hola. Coffee? Coffee?
¿De máquina? O no, o, ¿cómo lo quiere? ¿Negro? ¿Café negro?
Yeah, yeah. Sí.
¿Español o inglés?
No, English, yeah.
Ah, ok.
Poquito.
Coffee.
Oh, sí. Oh, nice. Okay.
Negro.
Yeah.
Okay.
American coffee. Okay.
¿Azúcar?
No sugar. Milk?
Milk. Okay, mom. Dime a ver, mi hijito, ¿cómo amaneciste? My friend. My friend. Emilia.
Hola.
Milk?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay.
Espresso, americano, coffee milk,
Oh yeah. Okay.
cappuccino, mochaccino, milk,
Okay.
water.
Okay.
Oh, thank you so
No
much.
way.
Okay.
Oh, thank you so much. Okay. Oh yeah. Thank you.
¿No
Thank you.
azúcar?
Suka?
¿No?
Oh no.
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 Okay.
Thank you.
Un placer, Susana.
Okay. Thank you. It's a lot of milk. Got a machine. Do milk. This is this is a buffet. Sorry. Interesting. Pretty good. God, what the hell is this crap? This is terrible. So the coffee did not taste good. Actually, just terrible. Do I want anything to eat? I'm gonna sit out. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. Sure. All right, thank you so much.
Okay.
All right, so we got coffee. Definitely not very good. We'll try different options and see, how it works out. Oh, that's the towel hut. No way. All right. So the towel hut is between the second pool and the kids pool, that area. And so let's go back to the kids area, which is over here. Oh, they sell games in it. Oh no, they have games. Oh, the towel area. No way. They have games. You can rent, I guess, and borrow. In addition with the towels, which is pretty cool. Guys, kind of early. Hey Nick, good morning.
Hey, how are you?
I'm great. We have a call at 9, right? Or no. Can we do it in the afternoon then? Okay. Yeah, I have a hard stop at 9:30. That's why. All right. Thank you. Bye. Can't edit that part out. Anyways, I just want to see the water. Hello. Hola. No, not yet. Thank you. What's the coconut? Anyways, I'm curious to see what's the temperature like. Ow. I just want to see. I'm just curious. Oh, it's cold. Oh, it is cold. I don't think it's cold. I think it's cool. But from last night to today, man, it got hot. It's not even cool. It's just hot. And we are here. But I gotta go around front because that's just garbage. All right, so I have a phone call at 9. Just gonna take it outside. There. I went and get the worst coffee ever.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. I come in 8:45. Everybody's sleeping. I got called at 9 o'clock. No.